आदित्य कपूर और सारा अली खान की जोड़ी बनी है। फिल्म मेट्रो इन दिनों में आदित्य और सारा पहुंचे मुंबई के लाला लाजपत राय कॉलेज में वह युवाओं के बीच। दोनों ने अपनी इस युवा फिल्म का संदेश दिया। स्टेज पर दोनों ने मस्ती की और जेन ज़ी के बीच में फिल्म का मैसेज पहुंचाया, जो एक मेट्रो यानी महानगर की कहानी है। इसलिए मुंबई के इस कॉलेज में प्रमोशन तो जरूरी है।
Hi guys. You like this song? Good one. Yeah. A good backing vocalist also. Any budding singers? Ashiki too? Yeah. This is Metro in Dino, guys. This is Metro in Dino. Come on. Cheers.
Okay, welcome cameraman, welcome Aditya, welcome Sara, welcome Raghav, welcome Saraswati. College.
Are you going to tell your friends about it? Listen, that yes has to be louder. Okay. Now we're talking. Nice.
Konkana, what about you? How does this energy, this reception feel?
My God, it's reminding me of my college days, which is so long ago. So thank you. We're very excited to bring our movie to you.
Sara, I think everyone is going crazy, so if you speak would be great.
Hello everyone. Firstly, it was so much fun to enter on Zamana Lage, क्योंकि आके ऐसा लगता है कि हमारे कॉलेज को इतने जमाने लग गए थे. Every time one comes to colleges like this, I feel like a college student again with this energy. So thank you so much for this lovely energy. यही energy चाहिए अभी 4 जुलाई को हम सबको. थिएटर आप सबको आना है, अपने दोस्तों को साथ लाना है, हमारे गाने सुनने और मजे करने हैं हमारे साथ. Please guys, promise.
फ्राइडे को वैसे छुट्टी रख सकते हैं. हॉलिडे, नो हॉलिडे. Or is it a holiday anyway?
Can I till bunk
You
till
want
bunk
the
day?
evening also, it's okay.
I think we should ask for half day on Friday, na? Yeah, but if you are not seeming excited, guys. Okay, fine.
Okay, let's do this. Are you guys
On
excited?
college. What's the attendance minimum? 75?
I'm so excited. I've never been in anything like this before. I don't think you guys would have even seen the first Life in a Metro, but maybe you've heard the songs, and if you haven't seen that, now you have Metro in Dino with even better songs. So I hope you really enjoy this.
Sara, your and Aditya's track, it's honestly the most relatable for this generation.
I would hope so. I mean, in the college, you won't be related to the other track as yet, I hope.
Right, so I wanted to know how has that experience been? Huh? It's gonna keep...
Good voice, huh? एक और बार चिल्लाओ ना. Nice.
So, how much fun did you have playing this character and how much do you relate to it?
I think she's just a young girl like any of you, like trying to figure her life out, like confused, doesn't know. How many of you are confused in life today? So
वो लड़का दोनों हाथ उठा रहा है तो मैं बहुत
मैं
confused.
भी दोनों ही उठा देती. So I think that I relate to the fact that like there's confusion. They relate to the fact that there's confusion. So have any of you landed up like drunk in someone's bathroom like this though? No, right? So I don't relate to that either. See, me and them are on the same page. What they relate to, I relate to.
And he always has your back. And we had a lot of fun. This is like a chill character. It's not so intense. So for me, it was nice to play something a little more light-hearted, a little more fun. So yeah, it's going to be. I think there's a lot of fun in the whole film. If you see even, Konkana and Pankaj's track, there's a lot of humor, emotion, everything. So hopefully, everyone will connect with someone's love story in the movie, and looking forward to everyone watching it now.
I've been receiving like hundreds of covers and tags every day. Zamana Lage for sure took over, and really thankful to the audience. I think Preetam Da has done a wonderful work on the melody, and Kaizarul Jafri ji जिन्होंने poetry 60 साल पहले लिखी थी, 60 years ago, you know. So I think yeah, so it's a big text, big responsibility, and the song has done its job. Yeah.
अच्छा उसको टी-शर्ट उतारना है, उतार दे.
वो बोला आप भी उतारो.
I know.
नहीं ये नहीं होगा. Okay, next. I think.
अच्छा, next question. Okay, have you ever liked anyone and their friend zoned you? Okay, so what would you do in that situation? What have you done in that situation? Give the mic.
Who's relating the most to this?
I think she's related very hard.
Yeah, because उसकी friend उस पे सड़ा रही है. Girl, come on, get him.
Someone who knows me rather than me, I don't have that perspective. Well, maybe you can tell me, say 3 words about me. You can say 3 words, I don't know.
Okay, so yeah.
Like this is an intense role, this is a chill role. So it's like, no, coming from my side in this way.
See you at the theatre.
Yeah, see you.
But,
Nostalgic.
Hanji?
Nostalgic.
Fully, this kind of energy, this kind of, excitement, enthusiasm, like I really miss it. But no, I think right time you have to do everything. A little bit of movies, little bit of travel, lots of Himalayas. So yeah.
You have to play a character like that bubbly girl next door who's also from the city, and that new girl in the city and all. Those are much easier than somebody who's very removed from you socially, culturally. Then you have to actually पढ़ाई करनी पड़ती है. मतलब dialogues and direct and rehearsal and then that's unfortunately hard work. Just like you guys have to study for your exams, I guess.
तो उम्मीद है कि फिल्म का ये मैसेज युवाओं तक पहुंचे। फिलहाल फिल्म रिलीज के लिए तैयार है और आदित्य और सारा लगे हुए हैं इनको प्रमोट करने में। मुंबई से ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट।